Hey everyone, this is Graham, and in this edition of Quick Cuts, we are creating a textured parted look on Sasha, keeping the length on top while using a scissor over comb technique through the sides and back. Starting over the ear on the right, I used the longest length on top and cut so my lengths get shorter to the roundness of the head. I stop here as I'll be cutting the rest with scissor over comb, and this will give me a guide to blend into. I continue taking parallel sections, directing each new section towards the previous, so my lengths gradually increase horizontally. On the left, I start at the same point, balancing it with the right and cutting a length that sits flatter to the head. I continue working with parallel sections towards the front, directing each new section back towards the previous one. This ensures a gradual increase in length horizontally. I move back to the right, using the guide over the ear. As I work, I comb each new section out from its base, ensuring the lengths remain consistent with the roundness of the head. I then repeat the same process on the left. I then connect both sides with horizontal sections to the top of the head. Once the hair is dry, I begin my scissor over comb technique, using a wide tooth comb to remove bulk, focusing on the roundness of the head at the front on the right. I work in columns, ensuring my scissors and comb move in unison for a smooth blend. Gradually, I switch to finer combs, shortening the lengths as I approach the hairline. As I refine the hairline, I rest my scissors on the scalp using a scissor no comb technique. To refine the blend, I use a mini trimmer to fade the hairline seamlessly. I then repeat the entire process in the back for a consistent finish. Here is my finished look on Sasha. I hope you enjoyed this latest edition of Quick Cuts.
We're going to say like, subscribe,
Like,
share, comment and subscribe.
why don't you come in, you know, show us how it's done, like both of you.
That's a really good
idea. And then
idea.
we'll come back and then we'll replicate.
That is such a good idea.